Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Ford Escape Bluetooth. First, make sure your vehicle is parked safely with the ignition on. Next, grab your mobile device and turn on its Bluetooth feature, ensuring it's discoverable. Then, locate the sync system controls, usually on your steering wheel, and press the phone button to begin the pairing process. This initial step prepares both your car and phone for a smooth connection. We'll guide you through each step to get your audio streaming quickly. Once in the sync menu, navigate to add a device and press OK. The system will then prompt you to search for sync on your phone. On your phone, select sync from the list of available Bluetooth devices. A 6-digit PIN will appear on both your car's display and your phone. Verify that these numbers match exactly before proceeding. This crucial step ensures you're connecting to the correct vehicle system. After confirming the PIN, your phone will ask you to accept the connection. Once accepted, Sync will typically ask if you'd like to set this phone as the primary device. This is useful if multiple phones will be connected. You'll also be prompted to allow Sync to download your phone's contact list for hands-free calling. Granting this permission enhances your driving experience by integrating your contacts directly into the vehicle system for easy access. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the sync system can often resolve them. You can also try deleting any old or unused pairings from both your phone and the car's system to prevent conflicts. If problems persist, refer to your Ford Escape Owner's Manual for more detailed troubleshooting steps. Sometimes, a sync master reset might be necessary, but try these simpler solutions first for a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.